Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Agoda. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser. In the address bar, type in agoda.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Agoda website where you can log into your account using your login credentials if you haven't done so already. Now, once you are logged in order to change your phone number, simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Profile. Now, underneath the profile page, you will be able to find your phone number section. If you don't have a phone number added already, you will see the Add button, and if you already have one, you will see the Edit button. Simply click on either one of those options, and then you can simply type in your desired new phone number. After typing in your phone number, click on the Continue button, and you might need to verify your phone number change by typing in your password. After completing the verification, your phone number will successfully be changed on Agoda. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your phone number on Agoda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.